Welcome to the KYZEN family. Let's start by checking the contents of the package. You should find the join lock, knob, chassis, wrench and adjustable wheels all carefully packed to make your assembly process a breeze. Now let's start assembling the frame. Attach round rods to the chassis using the provided knobs. Make sure everything is securely tightened. One of the standout features of the KYZEN desk is its adjustability. Experiment with the height and angle to find the perfect setup that suits your needs.